Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file IRS Tax Extension. File Form 4868 electronically or by paper immediately, include your best estimate of tax liability, and pay any amount due to avoid penalties. If you owe, choose Direct Debit, Debit Card, or EFTPS for payments. Keep records of submission confirmation or mailing proof. Notify your tax preparer and calendar your new deadline. Start with your personal details and filing status on Form 4868, then enter your best estimate of total tax owed. Subtract withholdings and credits to calculate any balance due and include that payment information. If you expect a refund, remember this extension does not extend refund timing. File the form electronically for immediate confirmation or mail it with proof of postage if you prefer a paper filing method. Paying what you owe by the original due date is key, even when requesting an extension. Choose EFTPS, direct debit, or a card payment for fast processing and confirm the transaction ID. If you can't pay in full, consider a payment plan or partial payment to reduce penalties and interest. Always retain proof of payment and the extension confirmation to show timely compliance if any questions arise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.